Good morning, and welcome to the April 4th edition of the Dr. K Birthday Roast. Let's wish a happy birthday to Bethany Vandervoort Lewis. That's very nice. She's a very nice lady, but do you know what I know about Bethany Lewis? She has a male FWB living in her house. Yes, and he is a music minister. An FWB. Oh, come on, I'm talking about her husband. Mike Lewis. FWB, yeah. Didn't you all know that he's a Free Will Baptist? Sheesh. Y'all are sick. No, that reminds me. One time, I was on a single site, datehookup.com, and a woman in Broken Arrow said on her profile, "I want no FWB," and so I sent her an email with the subject line, "What?" And in the email I said, "Your profile says you want no FWB. What do you have against Free Will Baptists?" She sent me back an email that says, "LOL, you are funny. FWB stands for Friends with Benefits." So I sent her a reply that said, "Well, I'm friendly, and my employer has a good health plan. So I guess I'm disqualified." She said, "LOL, the benefits I'm talking about are sex." Oh, I get it. Friends with benefits. In Ebonics, that would be homosexuals. Instead of wham, bam, and thank you, ma'am, it's hunch, crunch, and let's do lunch. Thank you for watching the Dr. K Birthday Roast.